Welcome to the JWK show. Thank you for tuning in. A quick thank you to the sponsor of the channel, that is crypto exchange BITUNIX. Get your XRP by using the link in the description below. We have breaking market news. We have the fear and greed index falling to 9, the lowest level since April 11th. And we had extreme fear and the sentiment seen at the April 2025 bottom. So with max fear happening in the markets, people selling, we see a reversal happening to the markets, the fear and greed index marking a bottom to the markets. We do have the S&P 500 down 4% from its record high, but up 37% since April low. So guys, keep in mind, this is not a market crash. This is simply just a correction. But with people getting used to the S&P 500 continuing to go up, 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 and up, and up, people are used to the corrections, which are normal. Now, keep in mind, the crypto market is going down as well, but we do have a major signal of a potential reversal coming in. Again, the XRP bottom. So we do have breaking college football coach John Beam. We had the initials JB from Last Chance. Last Chance Hugh has died after being shot. Oakland police say he was 66 years old. We have the 66 number, and we do have from the XRP Insider, First Decider, 4 days after the death of my hero JB is a last chance to buy Grandpa. And so we have this happening on 11/15. 4 days after is today. We have 11/19, which is the symbolic 911 date. Guys, is today the last chance to buy XRP. And obviously during a 911 date as well, we do have the price of XRP cryptos crashing down. And we do have from David Schwartz as well, a delta today, a 3-year delta. And we usually see these deltas playing out during their third delta. And we do have from David Schwartz, an astronaut. We have David Schwartz, seems like going to the moon. Again, timestamp 11/19, the symbolic 911 timestamp. So it seems like we have David Schwartz telling us to get ready for XRP to go up. And we do have David Schwartz also talking about LTRPB. And he says, I have no idea what LTRPB is, but I sure wish I held some. We have a God candle happening to this asset, so we can see from $4 all the way up to $113. So do we have David Schwartz hinting at this happening to XRP, a God candle coming in? And guys, guess what? In Gematria, we have John Beam being related to LTRPB. We have the 408 number. Guys, absolutely insane. So it seems like this all might be connected, and it might be truly the last time to buy XRP for cheap today during a 911 date. But if it's not, could we see 4 days after the tweet of the First Decider of the last chance to buy XRP? If that's the case, we have 16 plus 4, which is November 20th. Is November 20th possibly the last chance to buy XRP for cheap as well? We can see we do have a bottom coming in based on the charts. We have the 2020 charts and 2025. So we do have a repeat of 2020. We have parabolic move, then a correction, major correction, a retest of this critical level of supports, and then a V-shaped recovery, a reversal, cryptos going parabolic. So we are expecting this move to happen next in 2025. And we also have from the US debt clock and from David Schwartz on 11/18, we have all in and all in reverse, right? So guys, is right now the time to go all in into XRP? And again, is this the last time to buy XRP for cheap? We will see. As of now, guys, the price of XRP is going down even lower. As we said, based on indicators, we are in a bearish trend. So we are expecting the prices of cryptos and XRP to continue to fall down. We have XRP at $2.08. We have Solana at $134 and Bitcoin at $89,000. We have another big red bloodbath happen to the crypto markets, and as David Schwartz said, we could see XRP hitting $2 first before we see the XRP bull run begin. So keep that in mind. We have from Bitwise CIO as well, also telling us that we could be in the bottom. Let's take a look at this.
I do exactly agree with Tom. I think we're nearing a bottom. I look at this as a great buying opportunity for long-term investors. You know, Bitcoin was the first thing to turn over before this broader market pullback. It was sort of the canary in the coal mine, signaling that there was some risk in all sorts of risk on assets. I think it'll be the first thing to bottom, and I agree with Tom. We're getting very close to that point. So I think it's an exciting opportunity, again, for people who are looking out a year or more into the future.
Hopefully the bottom is in. We can see we have XRP having similar price action as well. Back with 2017, we have XRP in a similar 20-month EMA retest setup to 2017. If history repeats, then we're about to witness a major price surge. We can see we do have a nice long wick, mass liquidations before XRP going parabolic, exact same thing. Nice long wick, liquidations, and next up we should see the parabolic move next as we have retested the 20-month EMA moving average. And even insiders are going long as well. We have a massive whale, a hyper liquid whale, having a 95 million XRP long. We have smart money now entering into XRP. So is this a sign of a reversal coming in? And we do have Bitcoin's performance each year. You guys can pause the video and take a look. We can see 2011 up 1,300%, 2012 up 218%, 2013 5,428%, 2018 down 74%, in 2023 up 106%, and in 2024 we're up 120%, and right now 2025, as of now, we are up 0%. And we have Bitcoin having its worst November in 7 years. Bitcoin recording its weakest November since 2018 and worst month in over 3 years. Unfortunately, November so far has been bearish. But that could all turn around if we do see this all coming into fruition. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.